Adding Afterpay to Wallet Android is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open the Afterpay application on your Android device. Then tap on the In-Store tab at the bottom of the screen. Now select Pay in Store and then tap on Set up the card. After that, choose Add to Wallet and follow the prompts to confirm your details and security verification. Once successful, your Afterpay card will be added to your default Android wallet, which is Google Pay. Remember, the ability to add Afterpay to a digital wallet can depend on various factors, including your location, the specific digital wallet application you're using, and the policies of Afterpay. If you encounter any issues or need specific guidance, it's recommended to refer to the support documentation of the digital wallet application and Afterpay, or contact the respective customer support teams for assistance. Additionally, always ensure that your Afterpay account is in good standing before attempting to add it to a digital wallet.